Assalamu alaikum. You are listening Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Abdul Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Hurriyat leaders have paid glowing tributes to prominent martyred leaders Mirwais Maulvi Muhammad Farooq and Khwaja Abdul Ghani Lone, as well as the martyrs of Hawal on the eve of their martyrdom anniversaries. According to Kashmir Media Service, All Parties Hurriyat Conference General Secretary Maulvi Bashir Ahmed and Hurriyat leaders including Aga Saeed Hassan Al-Moswi Al-Safi, Hilal Ahmed War, Javed Ahmed Mir and Zamruda Habib have urged the people to observe complete strike and conduct a march towards the Mazar-e-Shuhada at Eidgah in Srinagar on Friday, besides holding prayer meetings while strictly following the program announced by Hurriyat Forum Chairman Mirwais Umar Farooq. They eulogized the services and sacrifices rendered by Mirwais Maulvi Muhammad Farooq and Khwaja Abdul Ghani Lone for the ongoing Kashmir freedom movement. Mirwais Maulvi Muhammad Farooq was shot dead by the agents of Indian agencies at his residence in Srinagar on May 21st in 1990. 70 mourners were killed when Indian troops opened indiscriminate fire on his funeral procession in Hawal area of Srinagar. On the same day, after 12 years, in 2002, Khwaja Abdul Ghani Lone was also martyred by the agents of Indian agencies when he was returning from addressing a gathering at Mazar-e-Shuhada in Srinagar. Senior All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader and the Jammu and Kashmir Anjuman-e-Shari-e-Shian president Aga Saeed Hassan Al-Moswi Al-Safi, in a statement in Srinagar, said, "The people of Kashmir will always remember the selfless leaders Mirwais Maulvi Muhammad Farooq and Khwaja Abdul Ghani Lone and will follow the path they showed." Maulvi Bashir Ahmed in his statement also asked the people to organize protest rallies against the genocide and gross human rights violations being perpetrated by Indian troops in the occupied territory. Posters appeared in Srinagar and other areas of the territory urging the Kashmiri people to make the shutdown on Friday a success. The posters were issued by the Jammu and Kashmir Political Resistance Movement and Warisini Shuhada-e Jammu wa Kashmir. Azad Jammu Kashmir Hurriyat leaders led Hurriyat Forum has appealed to the people of Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan and the freedom-loving people the world over to observe the martyrdom anniversaries of prominent martyred Hurriyat leaders Mirwais Maulvi Muhammad Farooq and Khwaja Abdul Ghani Lone, as well as the martyrs of Hawal, as per the program announced by the forum chairman Mirwais Umar Farooq. Meanwhile, a delegation of Jammu and Kashmir Political Resistance Movement visited Martyrs' Graveyard at Eidgah in Srinagar to pay homage to the martyrs, including Mirwais Muhammad Farooq, Khwaja Abdul Ghani Lone, and victims of Hawal massacre. Speaking on the occasion, the delegation members appealed to the international community to fulfill its obligations regarding settlement of the Kashmir dispute. Indian troops launched cordon and search operations in different areas of Srinagar, Gandarbal, Shopian, Islamabad, Pulwama, Kupwara and Baramulla, causing immense inconvenience and harassment to the local people. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.